Assalamu alaikum my followers and colleagues. In this video I will explain to you how to use the Vegas air conditioner remote control. This is the on off button of the air conditioner, and with itself we can turn the air conditioner on and off. We use the mode button to change the mode of the air conditioner. In this air conditioner it is possible to set 5 modes with the mode button: cooling, drying, fan, heating, and auto. Since the cooling mode is used more often, we will further explain how to use this mode. We press the mode button, and when a snowflake appears on the screen, the air conditioner switches to cooling mode. In this mode, we set the temperature of the air conditioner to 22-24 degrees Celsius. If you want to save electricity, set the temperature above 24 degrees Celsius. Setting the temperature below 22 degrees Celsius is not recommended. We use the fan button to change the fan speed of the air conditioner. This air conditioner fan has 4 speeds: low, medium, high, and auto. The appearance of this movement on the screen means that the air conditioner fan has switched to auto fan speed mode. If the fan noise in the bedroom bothers you, you can select a low speed. As the speed is increased, the cooling power of the air conditioner also increases. We press the mode button again, and we see a water drop symbol on the screen. This is the air conditioner's drying mode and is designed to reduce the humidity in the house. We switch to fan mode by pressing the mode button. In this mode, the air conditioner operates like a regular fan. We switch to heating mode by pressing the mode button again. A sun symbol appears on the screen. In this mode, we set the temperature above 26 degrees Celsius. Setting the air conditioner's fan speed to auto fan speed mode in heating mode makes the air conditioner work more efficiently, because in this case the fan speed will be selected by the microprocessor according to the condensation temperature. The outdoor unit of the air conditioner will be covered with snow only when the temperature approaches 0 degrees Celsius. To switch to auto fan speed mode, press the fan button several times, and when this movement appears on the screen, the fan will have switched to this mode. Additionally, it should be noted that in heating mode, the air conditioner will reach its nominal power within 20-40 minutes depending on the air temperature. Press the mode button and switch to auto mode. In automatic mode, the air conditioner tries to maintain the temperature at the set level. For example, if the temperature is set to 25 degrees Celsius, if the temperature in the room is lower than this indicator, the air conditioner will operate in heating mode, and if it is higher, in cooling mode. Press the mode button again to return to cooling mode. Now we will explain how to use other buttons on the remote control. This air conditioner has 2 swing buttons. This swing buttons is for moving the vertical blinds left and right, and this swing button is for moving the horizontal blinds up and down or stopping them in any position. Sometimes, when the weather is very hot, we can use the turbo button to cool our house quickly. When the air conditioner is switched to this mode, it will operate at the highest fan speed for 15 minutes, and after this time it will return to the previous fan mode. The display button allows you to turn the display light of the air conditioner on and off. When the I feel button is pressed, this icon appears on the screen. In this mode, the air conditioner will measure the temperature with the help of the remote control. To exit this mode, you need to press the same button again. When the mute button is pressed, we see this icon, and in this mode, the sound of the air conditioning is minimized. To exit this mode, you need to press the same button again. When the health button is pressed, we see this icon on the screen. If the air conditioner has an ionizers, it is activated when this button is pressed. To exit this mode, you need to press the same button again. Sometimes users set the air conditioner temperature to 21-22 degrees Celsius or lower while sleeping. Sleeping in a room with such a temperature can cause a cold. To get rid of this problem, it is recommended to press the sleep button. When this button is pressed, a crescent icon appears on the screen. In sleep mode, the air conditioner will raise the air conditioner temperature by 1 degree Celsius after 2 hours. It will raise it again by 1 degree after a few hours. To exit this mode, you need to press the sleep button again. When the eco button is pressed, the air conditioner works by saving electricity. Each user has a favorite mode. The I set button is used to save this mode. After setting the favorite mode, this button is pressed and that mode is stored in the air conditioner's memory. If the parameters are changed after us, it will be enough for us to press the I set button. To exit this mode, you need to press the same button again. Now I will explain the timer mode of the air conditioner. This air conditioner has two timer modes, timer on and timer off. Timer on is for turning on the air conditioner at a desired time, and timer off is for turning it off. For example, when we leave the house at 8 a.m., we turn off the air conditioner and want it to turn on after 10 hours. For this, we press the timer button twice and use the temperature buttons to set the timer to 10 hours and press the timer button again to confirm. Our air conditioner will turn on after 10 hours and cool our house until we get home. To exit the timer on mode, we just press the on-off button. Or if we want the air conditioner to turn off after 6 hours while it is running, then we press the timer button once and press the timer button again to confirm the setting. Our air conditioner will turn off after 6 hours of the operation. To exit this mode, it is enough to press the on-off button. Thank you for following us until the end.